Okay, so today we are going over the order of adjectives. Okay, so first let's look at the order that we need to go through. So the first one is like number or quantity. So if I have a sentence that says 3, 2, that's going to be the very first word that comes, okay? Number 2, the quality or opinion. So this is like if it's a friendly dog we're talking about. If it's a if it's sweet, stuff like that, that's your opinion. That's going to be what comes after quantity. Next is size. So is this, a big dog that we're talking about? Is this a small dog that we're talking about? Age, pretty much self-explanatory. Is it ancient? Is it old? Is it young? Next is 5, which is our shape. Is it round? Is it triangular? Stuff like that. Number 6 is going to be color. So is it pink? Is it yellow? Does it have black spots? The number 7 is the origin or nationality. So that's if like it's an Italian recipe or Italian pasta you're talking about, so that's where you go for that. 8 is material, so if you're talking about silver or metal, stuff like that. Number 9 is going to be your purpose or qualifier. That's going to be your noun, so dog, person, place, or thing. Okay, so I have 3 sentences here. I'm going to do the first one with you. I want us to figure out what order, because right now it's out of order, okay? So I want us to figure out what order we need to put our sentence in by our adjectives in the sentence. Okay, so let's read the sentence out loud. Say it with me. The brown friendly, huge mutt. Okay, so right now, what is our purpose and qualifier out of that, which is our noun, our person, place, or thing?
Mutt.
Correct, it is mutt. So at the end of our sentence, it's going to say mutt. And then at the beginning, we know the. So we have brown, friendly, and huge that we now have to look at our order of adjectives and classify what's going to go. Okay, so let's look at brown, or let's go this way. Let's look at our order of adjectives. So what's our first one? We're looking for a number or quantity. Does brown, friendly, or huge say a quantity or number of mutts we're talking about?
No.
Nope, so we don't have number 1. Let's go to number 2. Quality or opinion. Brown, friendly, or huge. Does any of those adjectives share an opinion about the mutt?
No.
Let's look at it one more time. Brown, friendly, or huge. Does any one of them share an opinion about the mutt?
So good. Yes.
Which one?
Friendly.
Friendly! That's exactly right. So the friendly, and then, so we got that one. We did that one, and we did that one. Good. Okay, so now we have brown and huge. So let's keep going down. Size. Brown or huge? Do any of those talk about the size?
Huge.
Huge. Good job.
Huge. Very
so
huge.
Friendly, huge. Okay, and then the last one is brown. So if we look down here, number 6 is color, and that's where we find brown. So we just fill in brown right here. So we look, the sentence says the friendly, huge, brown mutt. And that is doing it correctly. So now what I want you to do is I want you to take these 2 sentences right here, and I want you to classify them in the correct order and write them correctly. And share which order of adjective. You can put like a number if you want. You can come up to the board here, and you can put which number underneath the words. Okay, you want to do it on your paper? That's fine too. We'll talk about it when you're done. Have you written down your sentence yet?
No.
Do you need a little bit of scaffolding? I can help you out. Okay, so
I'm
we know.
writing numbers.
Okay, so the first thing that we know is triangular, green, tiny frogs. So I circled frogs because that's going to be our purpose and qualifier. So that's going to go at the end of your sentence. Frogs. We're talking about frogs here. Okay? So now that we know that we have 3 words there. Triangular, green, and tiny. What comes first on our order of adjectives? Which one would we list first? For triangular, green, or tiny? Looking at our list.
What?
So I want you to look at these and tick each one off and see which word's going to come first for our sentence based on our order of adjectives.
Size 3.
Size. So tiny is the first word, and it's on size. Good. Okay, what's next?
Green. Color. Shape.
Shape. Good. Triangular. And then green.
Green.
So you see how I did that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you able to do the next one on your own, or do you want me to help you with that one too? Let me help you with this part. This is your purpose and qualifier. So necklaces is going to be at the end. So now you have to find turquoise, ancient, and 3. So figure out which one comes first based on our order of adjectives. Let me know when you have your sentence. Just write the sentence in order. We can classify them together.
Okay.
Okay, what's your sentence? Read.
3 ancient turquoise necklaces.
Beautiful. That's
so
correct.
good.
So now if we were to look at it, 3, because obviously we're talking about quantity here. And ancient, which is talking about the age of the necklaces. And then turquoise is the color. So that is exactly right. Good job. You did that one on your own. And that's my activity.